Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta vacuum cleaner. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Rowenta vacuum cleaner isn't picking up properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a blockage in the hose or a worn-out filter. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage and reduce the overall efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. Let's dive into the tools you'll need for this repair. You'll require a screwdriver set, a replacement filter, and some compressed air to clear out any blockages. Now, let's get started with the repair process. First, ensure your vacuum cleaner is unplugged. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the panel is off, look for the dust canister and the filter. The filter is often the culprit when it comes to poor suction. Gently pull the filter out. If it looks dirty or damaged, it's time to replace it. If you have a new filter, simply insert it back into the slot. Remember to press firmly to ensure it's seated correctly. Now, while we're here, check for any blockages in the hose. You can use compressed air to blow out any dirt or debris that may be stuck. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After ensuring everything is clear and the new filter is in place, it's time to reassemble the vacuum cleaner. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the plastic. Once assembled, plug the vacuum cleaner back in and give it a test run. You should notice a significant improvement in its suction power. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly clean or replace the filter as per the manufacturer's instructions and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your vacuum cleaner well maintained will ensure it operates efficiently for years to come. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.